The lush green 170 acres campus of Delhi Technological University welcomes you all. A premier engineering institution of Delhi, formerly known as Delhi College of Engineering, is a multi-faculty institution of engineering and management.
I, R.K. Shukla, Librarian of Delhi Technological University, welcome you all to this virtual tour of the library.
The language laboratory is very useful for assessing students' speech. It's also instrumental in improvement of phonetic proficiency of the students and learners. It exposes the students to the comparative linguistics space, native and non-native typicalities of speech.
I congratulate all of the students who got admitted in BTech programs in Delhi Technological University.
This department has around 14 well-established laboratories with state-of-the-art infrastructure.
Hello students, I welcome you all in the Industrial and Environment Biotechnology Lab. This is nitrogen analyzer by FOSS, which is used to calculate the total nitrogen in the given sample. This is GelDoc system, which is used for visualizing the DNA, RNA and the protein bands after the isolation. This is high performance liquid chromatography instrument, a very advanced instrument which is used to study the different compounds.
Welcome students in this molecular neuroscience and functional genomics laboratory. Other than centrifuge machine, we have laminar airflow and the incubator. In the laminar airflow, we use the cell culture experiments. PCR is used to amplify the DNA segment. Once we isolate the DNA sample from the mammalian cell culture, we have to amplify it using the PCR machine.
I welcome you all in kinematics and dynamics of machines lab. Cam profile, that is, generally we are using in IC engine for opening of the valve and other resources. Here electronic vibrometer is there. This one is related to the hydrodynamic general bearing.
this is a vertical milling machine. It is used for surfacings, all the conventional operation which is done on milling machine.
The foundry is the place where casting and molding is carried out. We are using this machine and we are preparing the mold. This side, sand muller machine is there. It is used to mix the sand properly.
तो हमारे पास यहाँ पे एब्रेसिव फ्लो मशीन है, स्टेयर कास्टिंग फर्नेस है हमारे पास, हाई टेम्परेचर ट्राइब्रोनिकल, ये एब्रेसिव फ्लो मशीन, ये थर्मल स्प्रे कोटिंग मशीन है, ये हाई टेम्परेचर ट्राइबोमीटर है ये।
Here it is core cutting machine where we can take out the sample of the road. Compression testing machine where we can test for compressive strength of the concrete blocks.
Here in Delhi Technological University, we have very good environmental engineering laboratories which consist of water testing, air testing and soil testing. We have facilities of all.
The Environmental Microbiology and Bioremediation Lab houses some of the very sophisticated instruments to give the best exposure to the students about the instrumentation involved in the field.
This is laminar air flow, which is used for isolation of microorganisms from different environmental metrics like soil and water.
Welcome to the Electronics and Communication Department. Electronics and Communication Engineering involves designing, developing and testing of electronic equipments used in various systems.
Welcome to the Department of Information Technology. I, Anamika Chauhan, am pleased to introduce the Web Engineering Lab. The Internet and Web Engineering Lab is one of the most well-equipped lab of the department.
In the current age of telemedicine and mobile computing, Samsung Digital Academy Research Lab is an innovative upcoming research lab which has been set up in collaboration with Samsung India in Department of Computer Science and Engineering at DTU.
This is a basic electrical engineering laboratory what you are going to observe here. Generally the first year students who are admitted in this first semester or the second semester.
DTU welcomes to newly admitted students. I will explain the placement of classrooms and faculty blocks in DTU. First you will find electrical department, which is designated with FW1, which means faculty wing. And second, electronics department, which will be designated as FW2. And third, information technology. And fourth, civil engineering department.
I am Professor S. Sindhu, Dean Student Welfare and Professor of Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. I would like to welcome all newly admitted students and their proud parents to Delhi Technological University. In Delhi Technological University, we support growth of student in all directions. For developing the technical skills of the students, we support financial supporting will be given to students for doing innovative projects, doing internship in abroad or within India, participating for technical competitions and all. For developing their extracurricular activities, we have 4 major different councils: Cultural Council, Literary Council, Sports Council and Technical Council. There are around 80 societies working under these councils. So all of you can join society of your interest. The societies conduct different festivals also. The Cultural Council organizes NG Fest, which is the greatest in Northern India for last 2 years. Literary Council organizes Yuan, and that also had turned out to be the best in North India. If you are having any doubt or any issues to be solved, we have a help desk, DTU Mitra.
Right now, DTU maintains 16 game facility inside the campus. That is running track 400 meter, cricket ground, football ground, 2 volleyball ground, 2 basketball ground, 3 lawn tennis court, 5 outdoor badminton court, kabaddi court. Along with, we are providing facility for indoor games also.
DTU is a zero discharge campus. We have sewage treatment plant, and in that we have a capacity of 1 million litre per day. Then we have solar power plant of capacity of 432 kWp. DTU Studio is the official studio of Delhi Technological University. All the recordings of Delhi Technological University are done by the DTU Studio. The documentaries or whatever recordings which are made are uploaded on the YouTube channel. A link for that has been provided on the university website as well.
DTU East Delhi campus is situated at Vivek Vihar, New Delhi. It is 2-acre campus having 1 4-story building, 2 2-story building and 1 1-story building. It housed University School of Management and Entrepreneurship and 2 centers of excellence. One is in the area of entrepreneurship development, another is in the area of innovation and incubation.